Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by diagnosing the problem precisely and calmly with the viewer. Check your internet speed and stability before troubleshooting further. Test on Wi-Fi and cellular to compare results and rule out network issues. Note the app version and device storage available before attempting fixes. Open Facebook on desktop and mobile to see if the issue replicates across platforms. Look for error messages and exact upload timestamps. Record the failing file name and size to keep troubleshooting consistent across steps. Begin with quick fixes that resolve 50% of playback problems. Clear app cache and restart Facebook on mobile and desktop. On Android, use settings to clear cache. On iOS, reinstall the app to clear temporary data. Update the Facebook app to the latest version before retesting playback. Free at least 500 MB of storage before attempting another upload. Log out and log back into your account to refresh permissions and session tokens. Retest the same video after each quick action to isolate the effective fix. When quick fixes fail, focus on the video file and upload settings. Convert the file to MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio codecs for compatibility. Keep the file under 4 GB and length under 240 minutes to meet Facebook limits. Use 1080p resolution and a bitrate around 10 Mbps to balance quality and upload success. Re-encode with constant frame rate and remove unusual metadata that can break processing. Finally, set privacy to public briefly, upload again, and monitor Facebook processing status for successful playback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.